আজ আগরতলায় অনুষ্ঠিত হল নীতি আয়োগের উদ্যোগে উত্তর পূর্বাঞ্চলীয় রাজ্যগুলিকে নিয়ে এক কর্মশালা। সেই কর্মশালায় রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ডক্টর মানিক সাহা অংশ নিয়েছেন। কর্মশালায় রাজ্যের তরফে বক্তব্য তুলে ধরেছেন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী। নীতি আয়োগ পরিচালিত এই কর্মশালায় রাজ্যের কি বক্তব্য ছিল তা সংবাদ মাধ্যমে জানিয়েছেন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী ডক্টর মানিক সাহা।
You already have mentioned in my speech that our TIFT is doing a wonderful job for the development of Tripura, and what decision they have taken, it has been appreciated by our Honorable Prime Minister too. So today I'm very glad to tell you that about 16, not only northeastern states, from 16 states across the country, they have come here for the workshop of this, to join this workshop convened by the TIFT. So there will be so many discussions regarding development of India as well as northeastern region. So I have the wonderful opportunity that they have come here, and I have already have talked to them also, and I got the opportunity to say something on behalf of them. Already have mentioned, already have said that
we have really done very good.
in all sectors, particularly now you can say that this TIFT is it seems to be our think tank. So far this investment matter is concerned, tourism matter is concerned, even for infrastructure matter is concerned. In all aspects they are sharing their partnership with the government of Tripura.